3, 2, 1, start. On 19/5/1957, a notice on behalf of the Delhi state was issued under Section 3(2)(c) of the Foreigners Act 1946, read with Foreigners Laws Amendment Ordinance 1957, whereby the Chief Commissioner directed Nasir Ahmad, his wife Miss Aziz Fatima, and their minor daughter not to remain in India after the expiry of 3 days from the date on which the notice is served on them, and shall not thereafter re-enter India. This notice was issued on the ground that Nasir Ahmad, his wife, and their minor daughter were Pakistani nationals. Nasir Ahmad thereupon filed this petition on 31/5/1957 under Article 226 of the Constitution, challenging the validity of this order on the ground that the petitioner, his wife, and their minor daughter were not Pakistani nationals. The petitioner in this petition has alleged that besides himself, his wife, and their minor daughter, the petitioner has 4 other children residing with him in Delhi. He has also alleged that they were all born in Delhi and that he and his wife are duly registered as electors in the electoral rolls. He further alleged that in the year 1950, the petitioner had gone to Pakistan for a short stay and had remained there temporarily for a few months. According to the petitioner, he and his wife were born in India and they never migrated to Pakistan. The respondent in this case has given some additional facts in the reply filed in this court. In this reply, it is not denied that the petitioner or his wife or his children were born in Delhi. The respondent's case, however, is that the petitioner went to Pakistan for the first time in March 1950 and visited India on 17/8/1950 on the basis of a temporary permit granted to him by the Indian High Commissioner in Pakistan. It is further stated that on 26/11/1951, the petitioner and his family left for Pakistan by air from the Willingdon airport and that subsequently he was found in India without any permit. Finally, it is alleged that thereupon he was prosecuted under Rule 3, read with Rule 6 of the Indian Passport Rules 1950, and was sentenced to a fine of rupees 200 and was ordered to be deported to Pakistan within 15 days from the date of that order, but on appeal, the order of deportation was set aside, but his conviction and imposition of fine of rupees 200 were maintained. I take the facts given above to be correct for the purposes of this petition. The question arises whether in these circumstances the notice dated 19/5/1957 under the Foreigners Act 1946 can be considered to be valid in law. Now, it is clear from these pleadings that the petitioner, his wife, and his child were born in India and were domiciled here at the commencement of the Constitution on 21 1950, as it is the government's own case that he left India for Pakistan for the first time in March 1950. He and his family members must therefore be held to be citizens of India within the provisions of Article 5 of the Constitution at the time when it came into force. The order of deportation has been made against the petitioner and his family on the basis and assumption of their being Pakistani nationals. Stop.